Today we'll be doing our 9th standard bridge course part 2. Okay. As I said in the first video, we will be doing the portions of your 8th standard, which is very important even for your 9th standard. So as of that, we will be doing your understanding quadrilateral chapter. Understanding quadrilaterals. Okay. So now understanding quadrilateral. Before going to the word quadrilateral, we will learn a term called polygon. Okay. Now what is a polygon? When I say polygon, I should give a particular definition for it. I will give you a definition that a closed figure. Listen here. A closed figure. Okay, a closed figure made of only line segments. Made of only line segment. So a polygon, that is a closed figure made of only line segment. Now this is your definition for your next polygon. But before that, you should know what is a line segment, isn't it? Now let me tell you what is a line segment. A line segment, I'll draw and show you. See here, a straight line is said to be your line segment. See, inward and without using the scale, I am drawing a line. But when you are writing in your notebooks, kindly use your scales for drawing. So a line segment. This is said to be a line segment. You cannot tell this as your line segment, this as your line segment, and what to say? This as your line segment. It should always be a straight line. So now what? Using a straight line, you are doing a closed figure. That figure is said to be your polygon. Now let me tell the different types of polygon. What are your different types of polygon? So there are a lot of different types of polygon. As of now, for you people, what is important? Only those polygons I will be teaching. Okay. Now, classification of types of polygon. Before going into classification, I will teach you one more word called vertices. What is this word? Vertices. Now what is vertices? Vertices means, let me tell you. Now I am going to draw a square. Okay. Now I have drawn a square. Now square has how many types? A, B, C and D. So how many sides? See, I draw it again here. Now I am drawing a square. It has 4 sides, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now square is having how many? So now I have to label it. This A, B, C and D. So I am labeling it. So how many sides it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And I am labeling as A, B, C and D. So I am labeling it now. Now next thing, I have to say what are this label for. Now this A, B, C and D are said to be your vertices. This A, B, C, D are there? No. This A, B, C, D is said to be vertices. A, B, C, D is vertices. Now, vertices means what? Now AB is one line segment, that is one line. And AC is one more line segment. Now this A is what? This A is joining the line AB and AC. You are getting it? Like this. Suppose, wait 1 minute. See here. Now this is one line segment to consider. This is another line segment. When I keep them like this, it becomes a parallel line. They are not joining. When I place this like this, so I am joining these two chalks. This point where I am joining these two chalks, that is said to be your vertices. See here, this AB line is joining with this AC line at point A. So that is said to be your vertices. So now ABC are vertices, ABCD are vertices. See, with the number of vertices, we will write the different types of polygon. That is your line segments A, B, BD, CB and AC. Okay. Now listen here how I am writing. Number of sides, name of the polygon, number of side and name of the polygon. Okay, number of sides and name of the polygon. So the first one, the polygon starts only from 3-sided. Because with 3 sides only I can make a closed surface. Polygon is what? It's a closed surface with your line segment. So the first one, 3. What is this 3? See here, it is triangle. 3 is what? Triangle. See how many sides are there? 1, 2 and 3. So it is 3 sides. Triangle. Next. 1, 2, 3. And next goes for, which is this? It's your triangle. Understood? Now next one is 4 side. 4 side is what? Square. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here I am not gonna use the word square. I will use the word quadrilateral. What I will use? I will use the word as quadrilateral. That means what? 4-sided figure, closed polygon is said to be your quadrilateral. Once I complete this, I will tell separately what are the different types of quadrilateral. Next is 5-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is this? It is said to be pentagon. It is said to be what? Pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. And next, last one. There are till 10. Till 10 again, but if you learn till 6, that is fine. 6 one is see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 sides and what is said to be? It's said to be a hexagon. Okay, so these are the names which are taught. Most important, which you will be using even in your 10th standard also. Now in present 9th standard also you will be using, and even in 10th standard also you will be using. So first 3-sided is your triangle, 4-sided is your quadrilateral, 5-sided is your pentagon, and 6-sided is your hexagon. And I will draw the figures of it. Now next, since the topic name is understanding quadrilateral, I will be teaching you the different types of quadrilateral. Okay. Now, types of quadrilateral. Okay, the first type of quadrilateral is your square. Square is what? All the 4 sides are equal. In square is what? All the 4 sides and 4 angles are equal. So, let us draw a diagram of a square. You people take 4 centimeter when you are drawing in your notebooks, okay? So, square. Next one is rhombus. All the 4 sides will be equal, but angles is different. 4 sides will be equal, but angles are different. But angles are different. That means now if you keep it in straight, that is your square. Same way if you keep it in your cross way, that is your CL. Draw it like this, or like this also. You can draw it in this shape or this shape. These two shapes belongs to rhombus. Here the 4 sides will be equal, only your angles will differ. So these are the 2 types. Next type is rectangle. Next is what? It is a rectangle. In rectangle, how? The opposite sides are equal and all the 4 angles are same. What if you write? The opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, but all the 4 angles are same. But all the 4 angles are same. Okay. Now what we will do? We will draw a figure for your rectangle. See here. This side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. But angles are same. Okay. Next is your parallelogram. Next is what? It is your parallelogram. Now parallelogram means what you say, this your rectangle is in straight. If you keep them same thing in your cross way, that is your parallelogram. Okay. Same definition only. Opposite sides are same, but your angles will be different. Now I will draw the drawing. See. This is said to be your parallelogram. Did you see? It is parallel in nature. It is crossway. So this is said to be your parallelogram. Understood? No? So what are the main different types of quadrilateral which you have learned? Square, rhombus, rectangle and parallelogram. The next topic under understanding quadrilateral is angle sum property. See, actually this angle sum property is kind of a big sum, but I will only teach you the basic what is the sum property. Because when you are coming to your 9th standard, the same proving of your angle sum property is there. In that time, I will explain you in detail. Got it? Now, the first one, angle sum property. Now, what is this angle sum property? Let me tell you. First, I'll take triangle and then I'll explain you. Now, first is triangle. I draw a triangle here. A, B and C. For triangle there are how many angles? 3 angles, isn't it? 1, 2 and 3. See, this is 1, 2 and 3. So when I add up all these 3, what will be my exact total angle? That is your angle sum property. When I add angle 1, that is angle A, plus angle 2, that is angle B, plus angle 3, that is angle C. When I add up these 3, what is a standard value? Now if you take clock 24 hours, that is your standard. Same way, even here also you should have a standard value, which is your angle sum property. For a triangle, it is always how much? It is always 180 degree. The angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. Now the same way we go for a quadrilateral. See, for all the types of quadrilateral we explain, square, rhombus, parallelogram, or rectangle, for all the angle sum property will remain same. So that's why I am writing a common name, quadrilateral. Now in quadrilateral, listen here, quadrilateral 4 side, isn't it? So how many angles? 1, that is your A, 2, that is your B, 3, that is C, and 4, that is your D. When you add up all these angles, so I will write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Now what will be my sum? That is nothing but 360. How much it is? 360. Remember this clearly. For triangle it is 180. For quadrilateral, that is for your square, for your rectangle, for your rhombus, for your parallelogram, it is 360. Did you get it? So now next one more term I will teach, that is diagonal. So what is a diagonal? So now let me draw a 4-sided figure and explain it. I am drawing a square. A, B, C and D. Now diagonal means what? No. When two opposite vertices meet. Now A and D are opposite to each other. A and C are opposite to each other. When B and D meet, this is said to be your diagonal. You getting it? When the opposite side meet, then we said to be your diagonal. You understood this? Now, in my next video, I will be discussing algebraic terms. Now, in today's video, we spoke about understanding quadrilaterals, types of polygons, types of quadrilaterals, and angles and property, and what is diagonal. Okay, if you have any doubt in this particular topic, kindly message in the group. I will be glad. Thank you, children.